Today, we're at Black Horse Golf Club to raise money for scholarships for MBE programs and services. We have a full course of players. Today, there was also the opportunity for MBEs and matchmaking with corporate buyers. They were able to meet them directly. There was a golf clinic for people who didn't really know how to play golf, but they're interested in being involved and interested in being involved in the future. And many opportunities for networking, a silent auction and a live auction, and some wonderful prizes that are going to be given away later this day in the afternoon.
This event has been marvelous for teeing off the summer, making new friends, as well as greeting some of your old friends through the HMSDC network. It has been fabulous to have an opportunity to be out here and golfing, as well as just having great conversations with many diverse suppliers. This is one of the marquee events for HMSDC, and we as VP are proud to sponsor this event in 2024.
The HMSDC Golf Tournament would be impactful for anyone wanting to be involved with the organization because it's a great way to network with corporations such as Centerpoint or others who are a part of the organization. It's a great time to meet everyone and to be able to not only have fun, but also build a relationship with several members of the corporations.
We've had a scholarship fundraiser today. Let me tell you, if you're a member of this organization, you want to participate in this opportunity because you can earn a scholarship. And that scholarship can help you, your business, expand and grow. I'm on almost all the committees, and I find value in that because you get an opportunity to work with the people that you're trying to do business with.